Hi, good morning. Today is Wednesday, October the 19th. The time in Singapore right now is 6:30 morning in the morning. Today's recording is a bit early because I had to run some errand and better I record it earlier. So the whole thing is this. Yesterday overnight, Wall Street was a little bit firmer based on the earning reports of certain companies like Johnson & Johnson. Reports were actually quite healthy, and that's underpinned the market on Wall Street last night. And the Dow Jones itself, you can see that the market has actually stabilized and it has actually edged higher. Overnight, the market have a high of 30,837.9 before it pulls back a little bit, but positively closed and is likely to move higher. And the immediate target at 31,400 is likely to be the next target going forward. And this is setting up to be so far this is a three-wave rally, and hopefully it can sustain a little bit. And ultimately we want to see the one barrier to actually overcome will be 32,500. So now if we have a three-wave rally that ends at 31,400, we want to see the reaction around this level. And you see if it extend aggressively, then maybe the 32,500 will be the next target. Unless that's the case, the market started to pull back down. So this is the outlook for the time being. Over the S&P 500, we also have a three-wave rally, and the market started to advance towards the 3,800 levels. Right now, we are not that far away. Last night we have a high of 3,762.8, so it's pretty close. So the 3,008 levels is going to be the immediate target for this continued rally. So going forward into today's trading, there's a possibility the market may extend a little bit higher to hit this target. Over in the Nasdaq 100, we can see the market has already hit or almost hit this three-wave rally equality target, which was originally at 11,390. The market came in at the high at 11,374.4, so it's pretty close. But again, if the other index has not hit its target, maybe it will eventually see the Nasdaq rally one more time, perhaps even to test the 11,600 levels. Okay, so we will have to watch. Obviously, in Asia, the markets are not open yet, but last night, Hong Kong market actually stabilized and actually closed just under 17,000. So with the overnight steadiness of the Wall Street, starting to see that the Hong Kong Hang Seng Index may actually advance a little bit more. The immediate target will be this 17,450, which is the gap between 17,700 to 17,450. So this gap here we will see whether it can cover this gap here. So this will be the immediate target. It's 17,445. Okay. Over at the Shanghai Composite Index yesterday, we see the market actually rallied to just under 3,100, and there is every likelihood the market may advance higher to 3,140. So this will be the immediate chart point in which I think the market has a potential of actually hitting. Okay, over in the Nikkei 225, we can see that the market is also unfolding as a potential three-wave. So if this is a three-wave, the market may actually go up to all the way to 28,000 levels. So this will be the immediate target. Okay. Over in the currency itself, we can see yesterday night we have a new high in the dollar yen market went up to 149.38, but that was before the market actually have a mini sell-off to a low of let me see what this low is, 148.12. So the market actually has a pullback before the market hit an all-time high as of last night. Okay. Over in sterling is stable. The market hit a high of 114.40 before pulling back in a three-wave. So there is every likelihood, if this is just a simple three-wave, market may extend higher. So again, if we want to take a look at the near term, of course, if we can draw this temporary okay, this level here. So this support line here may actually be quite useful. So unless this line is taken out, there is every possibility it may extend a little bit higher beyond 114.40. Over in the euro, we can see euro also have a three-wave rebound up to 0.9875. And again, using similar techniques, you can see that there is this possibility the market may extend higher, but so far it is a three-wave. Unless the market come back down again and take out this near-term support, again the market has this possibility of extending higher, perhaps to challenge this high here that we saw recently at 99 cents. So we will have to watch this move here. Aussie also has a very sluggish recovery. So last night we have a challenge of the 0.6346, which is the high traded on October the 12th, which is last Wednesday. Okay, so we can see that this market came very close last night without quite making it. So the market could be kept below the 0.6350 levels going forward. The disappointment coming in was in the energy markets. Crude oil actually pulled back quite sharply to below the $82 and hit a equality move. Okay, this is a, if you look at it in the 60 minutes, you can see that this is a three-wave move. So the overnight low at $81.30 could be crucial, because if the market can hold at this level, then it is building up for a potential rally going forward. But again, we will have to see how the market reacts. If you draw a simple resistance line here, the market have to take out this high, and then obviously have to surge past and close past this immediate level, which is going to be $89.73. So we have to watch this move, because we already hit equality. Technically, market should be able to hold at $81.30, and hopefully it can hold. Okay. Over in the precious metal market, gold is basically trading sideways without any incentive to go either higher or lower. The dollar did not pull back in any aggressive way. So likewise, the precious metal market did not have the impetus to trade higher. So market is trading right now in the mid-range between 1,639 and 1,668. Okay, so basically right now the market is basically treading water. Over in the silver market is actually the silver is actually a lot stable. Okay, and we can see the market high recently was $18.94. Currently the market is trading just under $18.80, and there's every likelihood that you will punch through this level and take out the $18.94, and then maybe to advance towards $19.31 next. If this is the case, then we have a three-wave rally, which is technically corrective in nature. Okay, but if this is a corrective, then I think there's a very high possibility market will try to challenge $19.31 and go up to maybe as high as $19.40. Okay. Over in the crypto market, we can see that we have a pullback last night. Market went up to as high as $19,700 before pulling back to just above the 19,000 levels. There's every likelihood market may actually edge lower before another leg of the rebound, because this rally from 18,183 to just under 20,000 is very aggressive. So this pullback here looks like it is corrective in nature, and very likelihood we may see another move higher, perhaps to go up to 20,750. Okay, so do watch out for this move. Ethereum also pulled back, but not as much. Last night low was $1,286.80. It may extend a bit lower to challenge this level here, which we last saw on Sunday at $1,263.80. And this bracket of price actually is quite conducive for the market to actually be able to hold, and then for a three-wave extended rally. This rally here may bring the market back to 1,451 levels, okay, which is just under this resistance line over here. Over in other coins, you can see Ripple. There's no new update on the verdict for the lawsuit against Ripple Lab so far. We are expecting some kind of update maybe in the next few hours. Technically, we are still in October 19 in the States. So for all we know, we are still able to get some kind of updates on the lawsuit between the SEC and Ripple Lab. Basically, the market has pulled back into this range of prices. The pullback from 0.5118 is actually very corrective in nature. Last night low of 45 cents actually may hold and may actually result in another leg up. If that's the case, then maybe we can see 53 cents. Okay, so we have to watch this move. I've always maintained regardless of the verdict, I think this market, if it rallies higher, it is screaming to be sold. If the verdict is negative, obviously the market is going to unravel. Okay, so do watch out for this move coming up from Ripple today. Over in Cardano, we can see the prices has pulled back a little bit deeper, but overall it is still corrective in nature. Last night low was 35 cents, and the low so far here is 0.5 cents, 0.35, 0.3572. Will the market take out this level? I think for the time being we can't say no for sure, but I think it is, in my opinion, unlikely based on the fact that the other coins are actually quite firm. So internally, Cardano may be a little bit soft, but overall, if the crypto space manage to rebound higher, you may take Cardano along with it for the ride. Okay, Polygon is actually very, very firm. Polygon is actually having a soft kind of a renaissance. You can see the market is extending higher. The target level is at 0.8847. Market came up to 0.8782 recently, as far as yesterday's is concerned. So again, in late New York trading, we can see market actually rally up again. So there is every possibility the market will take out the 0.8782 and extend higher, maybe even beyond the 88 cents. Okay, for all we know. Okay, so we have to watch this move. Binance coin is actually treading water, is actually relatively firm. We don't have that very neat pullback, what I call three-wave pullback. But even if it does, then I think the market is actually primed to trade even higher. The target is at $287.50 for this move here. Cosmos, let me see. Cosmos is also pretty firm. It has taken out the last night early New York trading hours. So late closing, we can see the market surge up to $12.76. So this is again working up to be a three-wave rally. Target is at $13.20 thereabout. So there you have it, and I'll give you another update come tomorrow. Okay, in the meantime, take care and be safe. Bye bye.